Hi, it's Dave from FindNet Solutions. I'm just going to give you another example of how effective smart SEO websites are. Um, I'll just explain what a smart SEO website is. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. So a smart SEO website, the four keys are it's Google friendly, okay, smart search engine optimization design with special features for search bots. Visitor friendly, easy, easy for the client to, the prospective client to navigate around and they're not getting distracted. The third thing is engages visitors effectively, makes the visitors feel understood and that you've got the solution for their problem. Because that's why they did the Google search in the first place, to find that solution or that answer or that service or product. And the fourth thing is it's business owner friendly, and this is where a lot of websites fall down, is that they're easy to edit and update, but also flexible enough with the extra features can be added of different functionalities as the business grows. So that's the key parts about a smart SEO website. So let me just give you an example. The Gold Coast North Chamber of Commerce, in conjunction with CCIQ, which is the Chamber of Commerce and Industry Queensland, and the Southport Chamber of Commerce, have got an event coming up. So it's the events put on by CCIQ, and so the Gold Coast North Chamber of Commerce, we put an article up on the Smart SEO website, which is only a month old, and it was already up on the CCIQ website and already up on the Southport Chamber of Commerce website. So when we did a Google search for CCIQ Better Business Breakfast, which is what it was, the first listing came up is a smart SEO website, which is the Gold Coast North Chamber of Commerce. The second listing on the first page of Google was the CCIQ for their events. Then the third one was the CCIQ homepage, and then another listing for the homepage of CCIQ. Then the fifth one, finally, is Southport Chamber of Commerce. So that just goes to show you how effective this is. Understanding that the event went up on CCIQ and Southport Chamber of Commerce before it did on the Gold Coast North Chamber of Commerce website. And the Gold Coast North Chamber of Commerce website is only a month old. However, its domain name has been around for over 10 years, the same as CCIQ and Southport Chamber of Commerce. They've been around for a while. However, this is a new website, and the astonishing thing is that when this event went up on the Gold Coast North Chamber of Commerce, which is a smart SEO website, within an hour, Google had already indexed it, and it surpassed the main site, CCIQ, which should have been first. If you look at the search term CCIQ, that's their brand, and yet they're not first. Anyway, so that's just going to show you the effectiveness of a smart SEO website, and also to let you know that our DIY websites use the same search Google friendly functionality in the back end. So I just thought I'd just show you that. If you've got any questions, drop us a line at FindNet Solutions. It's if you would like to get more website traffic, more conversions, and in business important is more profit. Anyway, just drop us a line at FindNet Solutions. I'm Dave. I hope that was enlightening for you. Talk soon.